When President-elect Trump returns to the White House, he says he's planning to keep his campaign promise of mass deportations.
Immigration lawyers in the Birmingham area say that they are taking Trump seriously. WVTM 13's Magdala Lusant has more reaction from immigration attorneys who were getting phone calls from worried clients.
We're going to help these immigrants in the best way we know how.
Michael Shabani, the CEO of Shabani & Associates, is not surprised at President-elect Donald Trump's plan for mass deportation once he's back in the White House next year.
I saw it back in 2016, so I figured that, this time Mr. Trump really wants to do his thing. He wants to leave his mark for sure.
Shabani says he takes Trump seriously, and so do the clients he represents, the blue-collar working immigrants and the farmers who hire them.
People are really afraid. They're very concerned.
State Senator Tommy Tuberville told WVTM 13's Scott Carpenter in a sit-down interview today what he knows about the mass deportation plan.
They're going to work with all local, state law enforcement officials, people that are here, walking the streets, getting in trouble, not doing things that are the American way. They're going home. And it won't cost near as much money as it's costing us to have them here.
Shabani says he supports deporting the undocumented immigrants who are committing serious crimes.
We have almost 11 million unlawful presence here, immigrants, who are family members, majority work hard, and we need them. If he takes those group of people out of the workforce, whether it's in Alabama or in California or in other states, you will see the difference.
Until then, Shabani says his firm will be ready.
We have taken the preemptive strike and by sharpening our knowledge and tools and things like that at the office, and trying to get ready for a mass deportation, as they say it is. We do a lot of deportation, we do a lot of removals.
Shabani suggests undocumented immigrants start filing paperwork with the United States Citizenship and Immigration Services Department to become a legal citizen. In Hoover, I'm Magdala Lusant, WVTM 13.